Hello, it's Ray here, and you're watching Programming and Tech, and welcome back. And for the first time, welcome. And today's video is for especially for whom who have brought a laptop, who have a laptop, or who have recently brought laptop due to COVID pandemic for work from home, for online classes. This video is for them. Watch this video till the end, and so for those who are little experts or who are using laptop from years or using a desktop from years, you may find this video not useful, but I do find some people who brought a laptop due to COVID and they are just, they spend 40, 50, 60 thousands or dollars, whatever you say. And what they actually do is they just open any app that is comes pre-installed, or they go to an expert to install the app, and then they install it, and they only use the app only for classes, only for online classes. The first thing, you spend money, you have spent your money, so you need to feel that okay, the money I spend is worth. So for example, if you buy a smartphone, you spend, let me assume, 20,000 for a smartphone. Now if you only do calling, then what's the use? There are smartphones, not smartphone, feature phone available for 500,000 rupees. They can do you calling. If you buy a smartphone, you're gonna use internet, WhatsApp, social media, much more things. So that's the same case with your laptop too. And that's the first reason. Second reason is why you're going to do a simple task for expert. I have seen some people who take 50 rupees for installing software. Really, if you know to install software, that's simple. There are some tips that you need to follow, and you're on the go. It's not risky. It's not that dangerous. My laptop will blast. Forget myths. And to take full potential of your laptop, your desktop, your PC, installing a software does installing a game. Okay, this channel is little away from game. Installing any software. Recently, I have started my Python course. I am teaching you Python. So there I said installing Anaconda. I just said I gave you link. Go and download from me. Somebody asked me, hey, teach me how to do the software. So that's why I'm making this video. So in this video, we will be downloading. So first of all, you need to open your browser. It's quite simple. There are many browsers like Microsoft Edge and Chrome is also there. I usually use Microsoft Edge. One more thing is there comes a store, Microsoft Store installed, pre-installed in your PC. So the thing here is it might have some softwares, it might not have softwares. Internet has a lot of softwares. Okay, so that thing is there. And some software that which you download from internet may be available from the store. So that's the thing. But actually I prefer using a browser rather than the store, Microsoft Store. But in mobiles or smartphones, you usually use Play Store or App Store, and you go. But in laptops, that's not that convenient way. So first of that, search any link. So Anaconda Navigator, and so here it's actually showing me the things over here. HCPP anaconda.com products individual, because I actually searched it. So if you're not showing, then you can go to my Anaconda video, there you will find links. If you're not there, then you can actually, let me search it here, and wait guys. So you guys could see I directly came from the link. Next thing is you have to search and so Anaconda Navigator download for Windows 10 or whichever OS you are using. Now there might be some difference, like if you're using Windows 10 Home. So Windows 10 Home is quite different. Here you will see around Cortana, that is Cortana, not Corona, it's Cortana. It's assistant like Google Assistant. And here is few things. So Windows 10 Home edition is there, Windows 10 Pro. I am using Windows 10 Pro, but if you're using Windows 10 Home, which usually comes with the laptops that have Windows pre-installed. So that's the thing. So now quickly start. So here you are direct on the link, here you are anaconda. So here you may find links. So the first step here is find the links which are secure with HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure. Okay, so here the usually here you have to see first links. There are many other links, HTTP links, so don't go there. That's the problem. So don't go. So we'll click here, we'll click here. So let's see. This link was provided by me. This is it. So both are actually same. So you could see the magic. I am switching behind tab and no even not a difference. So I will remove this tab. So now so there is option for downloading individual edition, but you should not download Anaconda individual. So go down. Usually the download link is in the end of the page. So coming up here it's Windows, Mac OS, Linux, which are operating system you use. See, next thing is your processor. Now if you are using Linux, then 64-bit there is no 32-bit processors available for Linux and Mac OS. For Windows nowadays 64-bit 32-bit processor are not available in market, they are removed, but there are some processors. Maybe you are using a older system. So the best thing that you can do is check yourself. So how to can check? So to check, I'll show you how to do. First close this, open your this PC. So it will open and pause. This is how you look. So here you have to go to this PC, then left click on it. So it takes time to load. And here go to properties, and this is how it loads. So now to check, you have to see into 64. Here it's a 64-bit operating system. That's over. It's enough. You got it. Now so download it. So when you click on download, what actually happens, it's some interface like this, it's website based, and it starts for downloading. Now the thing here is you could see this is downloading and it will show 1.3 MB 457 1 hour left. I am gonna pause it. Reason I am pausing it here is I've actually installed Anaconda Navigator, right? So now what we'll actually do is directly open the Anaconda Navigator from my this PC. So I am gonna actually pause this video because there is some personal details that I don't want to share. So this is your download sections, and now here you could see Anaconda 3 2027 Windows Introduces. Double click on that and wait a minute. So now here you could see please wait till the setup is loading. Don't worry if something happens like this, just refresh it. It's actually starting in the background. So yeah, we are back. So 32-bit setup, I'm using it. So now here it will say it's setup guide. Click on next. This is agreement, and if you have lots of time, if you are not getting any time pass, you can usually read it. That was a joke. Read the important points over here. I have read it. Click on I agree, then install for just me. Next, now you have to select path where it will be installed. For example, you want to uh, see save it in C drive, then C drive user/user/, anaconda 3. That's the thing. Click on next and okay, just click on OK. So now when you will click next, it will ask actually why it's not installing. Let me tell you, I have already installed it, so it's not installing. So when you click sorry, yeah, so when you click on install, so it will start installing. Keep yourself, then it may ask you for permission like create a desktop shortcut. Okay, just click on next. It will start installing, and after it installs, there is the option of finish. Click on finish. The setup will go, and sometimes the application may launch itself, like it will start which application you installed. Sometimes it may not install, so the best way is refresh few times, and then if it's not starting, you can actually, you know, simple way like this PC and open. So that's all how you install a software. So this is for today, guys, and meet you in my next video. This was basics of installing software or installing software. There is nothing more than it. What is actually more is making a software. So if you want to make a software, you can actually check out my Python course, which is absolutely free. So that's how for today's video to go. Why I make this video again, I'm gonna tell you. I thought every each and every laptop or PC user must know it. So that's all for today's guy. Meet you in my next video. Bye bye.